When traveling with multiple food allergies, it can be really difficult, but at Disneyland and Disney World, they make it a little bit easier with some planning. So what I do before going on my Disney World trip is I look up their specialty diet request, which I have put in the search bar right here, and then I click this link. And from here, it gives you all of like really good tips on what to do and where to go. But what's important to me is making allergy friendly requests. So in situations in which someone in your group has 4 or more food allergy requests, what you can do is you can contact Special Diets at disneyworld.com and ask for a special dietary request form. So I did that yesterday, and they promptly responded back to me within like an hour and sent me this email with this attachment and a guide. And so what we're going to do today is look over this special dietary request form. So typically on the website, it says for you to turn this in within 2 weeks of your trip, and then you just go through and fill this out and put in the date, time, reservation, location, and name on reservation for all of the restaurants that you choose to go to. It does not have to be a dine-in situation. It can be quick service as well. And then often what I do, because it's difficult for me to really pinpoint a specific time, is that I just put, instead of a time, I put breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and unless I have a reservation. And so, and oftentimes I would put a little bit more than I really think that I'm going to do, just in case. And then you submit this back to the special.diets at disneyworld.com. And what they will do is they can have the chefs come and contact you. So in the past, what they've done is the chefs have either texted me, called me, or emailed me. And then we look over the menu and they make modifications and sometimes even completely new dishes. So I hope that this is helpful for you and your family when you guys are navigating food allergies. Thank you. Bye.